Do you want to speak English better, but you don't have a teacher or a partner? Imagine speaking English confidently anytime you want without waiting for a class or a partner. In today's episode, I will show you a simple tool that can make this possible. You can train your speaking every single day using ChatGPT. This program may be artificial intelligence, but it communicates in a natural and friendly way. You can ask questions, start conversations, and even request corrections when you make mistakes. It never judges and it never gets tired. Most learners think of ChatGPT as a writing tool, but it's much more than that. It can naturally become your practice partner. For example, you can use your phone's microphone and say, "Let's talk about food." In seconds, the program will reply and ask you more questions. The conversations continues, just like with a real person. And the best part, you choose the topic. You can chat about hobbies, travel, or even role play real situations like ordering coffee or checking in at the airport. If the answers feel too advanced, you can ask it to use simple words and speak more slowly. If you want feedback, you can request corrections, and the program will gently fix your grammar. Over time, this creates a safe space for practice, a space without pressure, without tests, and without embarrassment. So, what should you talk about? The truth is, anything works. You can describe your breakfast, share your weekend plans, or talk about a movie you watched. Even a short greeting like, "Good morning, I feel tired today," can start a real conversation. Because the topic is personal to you, it becomes easier to learn and remember your words. Mistakes are part of learning and they should not stop you. With ChatGPT, mistakes become learning opportunities. For example, if you say, "Yesterday I go to park," the program might answer, "We say, yesterday I went to park." Small corrections like this build your confidence and make your sentences sound natural. "Yesterday I go to park." The program might answer, "We say, yesterday I went to park." Even 5 minutes of daily conversation will help you more than one long practice once a week. You should use it in the morning, at lunch, or before going to bed. Short and regular practice adds up to big progress. Little by little, you will notice changes. Your sentences become smoother, your vocabulary grows, and your speaking feels easier. This is the power of small daily practice with ChatGPT. It's like having a friendly conversation partner who is always available. So, here is the challenge. Make it part of your routine. Talk about your life, your plans, or your ideas every day. Ask for corrections, role play real situations, and enjoy the process. If you keep going step by step, your confidence will grow and your fluency will improve. That's the message for today. Remember, you don't need to wait for a teacher or a classroom to practice speaking. With ChatGPT, you can start right now. Thank you for listening. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. This is Learning English channel. See you next time.